In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Notebooklm New Look and Audio Interactivity. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, you will land on the main dashboard. This is where your notebooks live, and it is also where you start any new project. Next, create a fresh notebook. On the dashboard, click the button that says Create New. This opens a new workspace where Notebooklm can organize your materials and generate outputs based on the sources you provide. After that, you will upload your sources. A pop-up will appear where you can choose what to add. Select the files or links you want to use, such as PDF documents, YouTube links, or files from Google Drive. As you add them, Notebooklm will populate the source panel on the left side of the screen. This panel is important because it shows exactly what the notebook is using as reference material. A helpful tip is to only include sources that match your topic closely, since cleaner sources usually lead to clearer audio results. Once your sources are in place, you are ready to generate audio. Look for the Audio Overview button, then click it. Notebooklm will automatically begin creating an audio podcast-style overview based on the content in your source panel. Before you generate, you also have an optional customization tool. Click the pencil icon to provide specific instructions for the audio. For example, you can ask it to focus on a particular topic within your sources, choose a language, and select a length such as short, default, or long. You can also choose a format, like deep dive for more detail or critique for a more evaluative style. When you are happy with your settings, click Generate inside that pencil menu. Now you will need to wait while the audio is produced. The time can vary depending on how long your sources are and how detailed your chosen format is, so give it a moment to finish. When the generation is complete, you can listen to the audio directly in Notebooklm. You can also download it as an MP3 file or share it using a public link, which is useful if you want someone else to listen without accessing your notebook. That covers everything you need to know.